All right, let's go through a couple of more examples of what you might see. And I think I will make this a -1. Let's throw some integers in there for us. So first we're going to do 2 times 3, which is 6. Write our variable. Now we're going to add our exponents. So -1 plus 2 is just a +1. So you can put 6x to the first, or you can just leave it as 6x. Then we have a plus sign. Now we're going to do 2 times 4, which is 8. Put our x. And now we're adding our exponents. We have a -1 plus 3. That gives me a +2. So final answer would be 6x plus 8x squared. If you're in IXL, you can type to the first power if you want to. It will not mark it wrong. But I'm not going to write the ones because you'll never see those in any practice problems or anything like that. All right, practice problem 2. Coefficient times coefficient, 4 times 4 is 16. Oh, but this one's negative, so -16. Then our variable. Now we're adding exponents. They didn't write them, so they're ones. 1 plus 1 is 2. Put our minus sign this time, because there's a minus right here. And now we multiply 4 times 3, which is 12. We add our variable. There's no variable to add to it, so we're done. That's it for examples 1 and 2. Now you've got 5 or 6 practice problems to do before your exit ticket.